Today we are planting the new Divine Seed Princess Thorn. I already got it before I recorded this video. And I just spent a little while up. I spent a little 600 QA. Sorry. Just wait. I'll show you the seed right now. There it is. Check. There. Oh, that one. This is it. Now let's plant it. And why the heck don't I have the button? Sorry, I'm a bit sick right now.